In the great name of Allah, the granter of greatness, the destroyer of delights. Dear students, Unit 3.1 lesson from the Battle of Uhud is in progress. Today is the last lecture of the topic. In the previous lecture, I explained the defensive plan of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Under the command of Abdullah ibn Jubair, a squad of 50 skillful archers was deployed on the adjoining mound behind the main position. I also elaborated the difference between the duels and the battle, the difference between war and warfare, duel and duel, battle and embattled. Before starting the lecture, please look at the screen. Words meanings have been given. Dear students, let's read the new page 79. In the confusion that followed, the Holy Prophet ﷺ was wounded and he fell in a pit over the dead bodies of his followers. I have told you when the Muslim archers left the position post without the order of Muhammad SAW, Khalid bin Walid was not a convert those days. He attacked from the rear side and encircled the Muslims' army. Pit means a ditch. When Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu could no longer see the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he rushed to the spot, to the position where the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was stationed. Stations means put on duty, standing. He found the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wounded, lying in the pit. He took the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam out of the pit and with the aid of other companions including Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu and Umar radiallahu anhu, escorted him to a safer place. Escorted means in proper protection. Since the Quraysh kept on shouting that Muhammad had been killed, the Muslim warriors engaged in combat. Combat means battle. With the Quraysh were demoralized. Demoralized means disheartened, downhearted. They felt that the Holy Prophet ﷺ had been killed. There was no point in fighting the battle. At this juncture means crucial point, a critical point in time. At the instance of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, instance means order, command of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, Umar radiallahu anhu shouted back at the Quraysh and said that the Holy Prophet ﷺ was very much alive and regained full consciousness. Consciousness means alertness. Look at these words on the screen. Conscious, conscious, conscientious. Conscious means a person's moral sense of right and wrong. Conscious means aware of, awake or alert. The opposite of conscious is unconscious. Conscientious means to do one's duty well and completely. Dear students, conscience is a device Allah has installed in human beings to tell us what's right and what's wrong. Consciousness means alertness. The Holy Prophet ﷺ charged Ali. Charge means commanded Ali to launch. Launch means to start. A counterattack, an attack made in response against the Quraysh. Ali radiallahu anhu rallied means assembled, gathered. The Muslims exhorted them, urged them to fight for the glory of Islam. and fell upon the enemy like a thunderbolt. Thunderbolt means a flash of lightning with a crash of thunder. Look at this screen, please. What's the difference between thunderbolt and thunder? Thunderbolt means a flash of lightning with a crash of thunder. Thunder is the sound caused by the discharge of atmospheric electrical charge. When Ali Radiallahu anhu broke his sword means a weapon of battle. Dear students, these weapons are still passing through evolutionary process and have become sophisticated. How sophisticated? These weapons developed from a club to spear to bow and arrow, siege weapons to cannon, machine gun, tank, naval and air powers. The Holy Prophet ﷺ sent him his own sword. Ali Radiallahu and his companions kept on fighting until they succeeded in driving back mean repelling the Quraysh. The Quraysh could not take advantage of the victory that they had won at an earlier stage of the battle. Abu Sufyan accordingly means therefore commanded the Quraysh to return to Mecca. He, however, shouted in a boastful tone, in a proud tone, that the Quraysh had taken the revenge for their defeat in the Battle of Badr. Abu Sufyan defeat, dear students, it is said that around 65 Ansar and 4 Muhajirin were honored with martyrdom, while there were 22 fatalities among the Mushrikeen. Abu Sufyan announced that the Quraysh would soon have another confrontation while the Muslims would be annihilated. Annihilated means destroyed completely. I am going a little off track. Dear students, you will have heard Hitler once said, "Once I really am in power, my first and foremost task will be the annihilation of the Jews." The paragraph contains two key points. One, the rumor spread and the Muslims warriors are disheartened. Two, Ali Radiallahu anhu regrouped them and launched a counterattack. The Battle of Uhud is an important battle in the history of Islam. In the early stage, the battle went in favor of the Muslims, but because of a tactical mistake, the mistake committed by the 40 archers who left their post, made by the archers, the tide of the battle was reversed, and the Quraysh came to have an upper hand for a while. The Muslims were thoroughly demoralized means disheartened, and practically lost the will to fight. It was this stage that Ali Radiallahu anhu took the command and prevented the Quraysh from taking advantage of the victory that they had won earlier. The battle that would have otherwise ended in the annihilation of the Muslims concluded as a drawn battle. Otherwise means RLS, ORELSE. Drawn battle means the battle in which neither party gains victory. The Quraysh could gain no booty. They could not make any Muslim a captive. True, many Muslims died as martyrs, but the casualties means dead and injured, in the ranks of the Quraysh were larger still. The Muslims almost lost the battle due to the majority of the archers leaving their post, contrary to the instructions of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. They paid dearly. Paid dearly means to suffer a lot for their mistake with their lives. However, the followers of Islam learned an invaluable means incapable of being valued. Look at the screen. What's the difference between valuable and invaluable? Valuable means monetary worth or value. For example, a treasure of money is valuable. Invaluable means incapable of being valued. For example, a sincere friend is invaluable. Lesson means outcome, moral. From this experience, and they never disobeyed the instructions of the Holy Prophet ﷺ in future. To recap the lecture, in the start the Muslims had an upper hand, but when the 40 archers left the post, the Mushrikeen of Makkah had an upper hand, and the Muslims learned a lesson that a man should not leave his post. This is all for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.